What do I really have to do this? Putang in. Marites scam ha. Marites scam. Ata. I'm sorry, baka maduwa Marites, puta. See? That's why I've been trying to tell you, Marites. Puta. Yeah, that's why I have to have the 2 dogs here. I hate them. It's midnight, why are you raging? Everyone be mad at you, you just rage. And also, nasaman na nakuntika ako. But what the hell happened to you? Are you drunk? It's midnight, you have to go to sleep, not raging again. And yes, I go raging at midnight when those dogs naman anak. Back no good. So alert for emergency. You're just sitting there watching me die. Being the nuisance in the house. Nuisance, Papa ka? No, I don't want to be with you anymore because you're drunk. First, yes. Second, back. Also, why do I have to scream naman midnight naman? Everyone else are going to hate me naman for this. Sorry naman, ha? Mga neighbors dito sa California also known as the video kimawaton sila sa mga hu. Saturday, that's na by video kimawaton na. Sunday, to pass singers. Now, di ko naman video kimawaton na naman. Bakyo ka hu. Live now or else they will not sa imo puta because your dad might see you going to do this one and then just